Let's talk about a true Wall Street giant, Peter Lynch. He ran the Fidelity Magellan Fund from 1977 to 1990, turning it into a $14 billion powerhouse with a 29% average annual return. Lynch's secret? Not fancy algorithms, just common sense. He believed regular people have an edge over Wall Street because we see trends in real life before they hit the headlines. You notice which stores are packed, which products are flying off shelves. That's your advantage. Lynch wrote One Up on Wall Street to show that anyone can spot winning stocks by paying attention to everyday life. Forget the myth that investing is only for the elite. Your daily experiences are your greatest asset in the stock market. Lynch started a movement, empowering individuals to take control of their financial future. The path to wealth isn't about complexity. It's about simple observation and a bit of homework. That's the Lynch legacy, and that's a game changer. Before we continue, if you like this video, please remember to share it with your friends. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then watch some more of our videos. What's Lynch's edge? It's you, your job, your hobbies, your daily life. If you're a doctor, you spot medical trends before Wall Street does. If you're a teacher, you know which educational tools actually work. Lynch's mantra: invest in what you know. Stick to your circle of competence, industries and products you truly understand. Wall Street analysts are generalists, but you're a specialist in your own world. When something new takes off in your field, you're the first to see it. That's your informational advantage. Next time you think you're at a disadvantage, remember, your daily observations are gold. What did you use today? What's trending at work or in your neighborhood? Lynch says the seeds of great investments are right there. You don't need a finance degree, just open your eyes and connect the dots. Your personal experience is your secret weapon. Don't forget it. Let's talk about Tenbaggers, stocks that go up tenfold. Lynch found these life-changing winners by paying attention to everyday life, not by chasing hot tips. Notice a new store with lines out the door, a product everyone's suddenly using? That's a clue. Lynch invested in Hanes after his wife raved about Legs pantyhose. He saw them selling out, did his homework, and scored big. The key: look for simple, understandable businesses in their growth phase. Maybe it's a regional favorite about to go national, or a product solving a common problem. These opportunities are hiding in plain sight. Become a consumer detective. When something impresses you, investigate the company behind it. Is it public? Is it growing? Is it a fad or here to stay? Train yourself to spot these clues in daily life. The next 10-bagger could be in your fridge, your garage, or your phone. You just have to look. Found a great product, love the company, don't rush in. An idea isn't a stock. Lynch says, the spark is just the start. Now comes the research. Check the company's financial health. Do they have more cash than debt? Are profits rising? You don't need to be an accountant, just look for a few key signs. Lynch liked companies with strong balance sheets and simple, understandable stories. If you can't explain why the company will be bigger in 5 years, move on. Don't chase hot stocks just because they're popular. The real money is made by finding great companies before they're Wall Street darlings. Your research gives you the confidence to buy and hold through ups and downs. Observation gets you in the door, research lets you stay for the party. Do the work, it pays off. That's how you turn sparks into 10-baggers. Be thorough, be patient, and trust your process. Peter Lynch's message is simple. Investing isn't a dark art. You don't need fancy tools, just your eyes, ears, and brain. Find great, easy-to-understand businesses and own them for the long haul. The world is your research lab. Stay curious and ask questions. Why is this store packed? Why is everyone using this new gadget? Your curiosity leads to great investment ideas. Don't be intimidated by Wall Street jargon. Trust your knowledge, combine it with basic research, and be patient. Anyone can do this. It's the most democratic path to wealth. Read One Up on Wall Street, absorb the lessons, and start looking for the next big thing. Your financial future is in your hands, your shopping cart, your daily life. Be curious, do your homework, invest in what you know. Now go out there and make some money. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch more of our great videos. Thanks for watching!